PDP. Women, oh yeah. Ìgbẹ́mà oh yeah. Ìgbẹ́mà oh yeah. Wàyà dọ̀mọ̀. Bàbá wa wẹ̀sẹ̀, àbíyé mi, àyà náà wẹ̀ zẹ̀ o. Wa wẹ̀sẹ̀ ni wà náà mú di àfẹ́mọ́. Àwẹ̀ ọ̀kìnrin o. Wàyà wẹ̀sẹ̀. Eke niri ayo mi awo ni te oti ame meso ni awo ni ta me yeti kabo iwagwagbe onda we ege ya je mere obi omo nihin yon si e na ta we unde nini undo ma no bi eme owe guzi papa no bi ezihin emi hek mi ni o heke ni bi ego mene ye na yore ti ya mose owo te na kala ne eri logo na la ika ye ba ne emi ya ni o eyi aro to wa ani we le gbe hian ni ya finish mi ni ma ewu fo and the nearer many and mi no ye we wo cycle no Eghe Ogbemudia. I will continue to do my best to protect father's legacy. Demi obe ro but ira many eni no ri eme eni no ri e mato o su mani le ya hian from ward 1 to ward 6 near you emirame atamame 2018 we will contest we can area council igize hian Govumet pagbe we no Eghe Ogbemudia was era zego kuma gbele ma wa be Midwest era wona era we no pa era wona na we salobwa e do pa yi de na do ti arun pa ina we only one me we me ma offend o ma ro pa o we ma sure we do ma no offend o ma say 1% e na wo ma na we boru doni let it tell me another agenda the area council. If you are with here, I will work for the people of Egor. Because era won game you when you are day, you don't play politics. Omaro Morion. Benata, you are aware. I am era menati, onati ko your Or when they need to play politics, now we play politics. Okay, say tie. I don't want to get do now. Okay, where can we make the reason? Do we now when they do play politics? E mo ya roto no ka play the politics in them. When I menu pomokpa be me you go ramen. Era me na we ma wo ni we. Iman yo ya me ya like politics. And you give a day, ona we come ma me Kenya na kaswe. Ona we come ma me no Kenya wu bi alaiwa. Ona temokpa ma me, o we ga we council chairman. Owo phone you kana eti dolupoji. You kana eti basku. You kana eti we ni ni biebo. Owe there you be closer to the grassroots. Owe iga like council. Owe ni Eghe Ogbemudia community. Iwa ya be boho ni am. Iwa ya be no pa ni am. Owe ni we video. Owe a eti mani ya ni ewo ni. Ayi ti town hall meeting. Ibiebo. Ojo we ore wo ni o re wo ni o we ti an the meeting ine ya we wa oni unu wa o we give them their need not what you think they need and area where every community need bemiji I can ne ya ne wa oni unu wa because ima oni ya we mi ne wa egbu alo o wa e na do test ori opa mame o we no see ene na teme na mame na ọwọ́ ọmọ ìwọ pa a governor pa òdèdè Delta State ọwọ́ náà wà bẹ̀kì nẹ́gẹ́dẹ́ ẹgbẹ́ ọwọ́ rí bẹ̀kì ní ọwọ́ gbọ̀nyájà pẹ̀rẹ̀ kìíní ọwọ́ ibi ẹ̀bùn ní máa yẹ kìíní they refuse to go to that market ọwọ́ rí bẹ̀sẹ̀ election and they vote in ọ̀kẹ́rìá ní re ọwọ́ ẹ̀ ní here ọwọ́ rí bẹ̀sẹ̀ election ẹ̀ náà bẹ̀ yà á mi yàn a governor ní máa yẹ ti ìjò yà á mi yàn because èmi náà bọ́ níyàn ìyàn máa ó níyàn lu ẹ̀. Oma be no me nwa no be liye kai I campaign here ona igari ebu ni ona ya nne ya otanori nne ya emi ni ya wiya gwa lo baba ya atamawe onyunu ano me be he gbo ede era me giteme ni na ri eso ona nne ya we kini wa bonu wa na ni wa ye mose na a big shopping complex wa ma lo e ibi abo wiya gwa lo mu wa gwa lo na ya we mortuary Ede nera meta me na mame baba ede no gbe na eni ka obere me de nera meta me ni mame ina me we ge na ni le gie ina we owe ana we mortuary ya gwa lo uba igwa le mortuary ba owe bo ni owo omiya ga owo ya me ke monji e me soro ni bi yan risi ni rewe bo ate when na me ye mortuary na me ke na be planning e bury ago mani owe ro oberio owe that very day atono to moji owe yan igwa le gbo ni owe governor ni ga o ni ya vote ni e owe no do pay mortuary ni ya gele yana gele e governor na do na we na wo mi agwa lo ni kin owe na do gele do pay mortuary ni na do boy owe ri pay mortuary we governor na we e dey do commission the mortuary ona when the commissioner of health no ya commissioning mortuary oni gi se baba era me we ibi eboni ya fe the community ni wa digba se owe e canopy ni amuna gbere 30 owe na invited ti yan ore we bo no re dade ya no rota Hausa no re ko ya na ga di eboni da ba do una ado commissioning mortuary eme di tana ti ari mandie do you know where a commissioner is no ya commissioning mortuary ona iti a governor owa uye so na pakeka owe no de no do wugi ori seba e wo mai baka be wona he ye wa be di tepi ye ga commissioning mortuary e opa na ino ewe abe ya gbon na yo wa owe he o emi magwa lo na he we ni manenia e ba we agele bere vote no ka se na dey ona do commission ona do we ni ya Kederi okpa ina ya keki no poni ani ama ke for 2 years when ni kama we na egbe me be ri obesun no igwe dayi ina ari igwe dayi na ya campaign iri ya campaign igwe dayi na we kini abonu wa be ma na wuro gide wa ma yo ogun ya ma gi eki wa gwa lo na ogun ya gwa le town hall e na wo ke me abi town hall no wa because emi nu wa gwa lo ni ki e no ya meteme na baba Uselu eke iya campaign wa iya na kama me ya primary school iya we ba eke was 6 and it's the only word in the local government normal primary school. Iya we agwa le mi obe a primary school keke wugbo na wala na eyan wa gwa lo. Odion we ga gbotan ina baba na wa gwa lo ma we me na wo ma ina we have school no wa. Yi gele se council. Emi ro e council e ti aro wo ma mi wo ya we mi but abe ya gwa ni o nire na ya we mi ina gele do mo ese ni yan na do be primary school ni yan be wo 6. Ike ipe primary school ni ina he oba ewaye second. Again, we school ni over 600 students ina be free uniform ni yan na ya school. Edene na iga jeba ina jeba e kespe personage agwa lo mere I mero wa be ba e ke bumi ade we do fe poster ni man ma vi oye yo wi ma unda yemi no uni ma e mi kere egene de ibi ma ga ike e ba ike pa iari oluwa eso ai ko luwa pa iari uselu da ke primary school e kene na cross moto ege ni moto na agbele mo so oya me ya ke na ti e lollipop no do amuja yo kupo cross je ka wupo ebi na wo kwa lo a wu nebo beni wa bere na nia ikpe mai tamame ebi beni re na ni ikpe mai tamame we ege uga se kanso gemi ni onu uni ma abe gbon yo to o ma understand baba abe gbon yo to woke emi ni pe ma no me na kin ni marieti uwo ibe ade do tewe baba I ma ti we o you understand wọ́n tẹ́ ìtàbà wọ́n ní tana so na la wo èmi kẹ́mi ni wáyé wù wá ní ìdìbí pé mà náà ká mi mà ní mọ́ màmí ìwé mẹ́ kánṣẹ́lọ̀ ẹ̀dọ́ wẹ́ àásí ọdẹ adẹ́ra sí ohun ìyẹn ẹ̀rá sí mẹ́ra sí gọ́vnọ̀ èrè ọ̀nà àyà yìí ní gọ́vnọ̀ náà la wo wẹ́ èmi ni màá gbà lọ bèèmà náà so nu wá la wo azenodena which is on the 2nd of September. A photo of my hair by Derio. A ni my hair by Derio. A minakia begeba or a cara. A cara. A my young white way, a party ni, a mekere. Nagume Kamak Mohia where a PDP, Eghe Ogbemudia, na Latian. When no come away, he can't fell over here. Wala o baba wala wo e ma dori mi a
Eghe PDP. Where I had a we got that nowhere. We got look at Salwa Iniga. I quite don't know where Uku Baratos or more. And you tell my yabe, my home. I don't wear a very good day. The summer at the budget. Osarbo no pese wa. Ma ipe mama agi ugbe magbaro o. Ile ma e ga se. Oh, so bono ma o. Wa be ni wa ke wa so wa o. Ipe ma enu re ma ja wa nu o. Baba ada pre.
to say power to the people, you need to show them your power. PDP! PDP! I be not be so. We not dey fear. I be with the fear. He say if anybody dey craze, when he reach you say Louis head go clear. I be not be so. Now make them get psychiatric hospital for Sayo. But if the person don't want take time, we'll go dump am for that place. So anybody where they come will say Louis, wait till say him get two head. When he reach here, we'll turn am to one head. I be not be so. We say look clap for una self. Now see and say anytime where they come we say look, I go just come here, I go just sit down with the leaders. Somebody go tell me say you just dey waka alone, you no carry escort. I say for Uselu. Anybody wey follow me reach Uselu, no be die one die. You don finish now. So I don't need to carry escort if I dey come Uselu. If I dey go any other area, I fit carry escort follow body. But when I dey come Uselu, no, they no fit try am. Na because they talk say Uselu is protected. I be not be so. And anything where Uselu talk, right, they happen. Once Uselu don't talk, say na PDP, na PDP. I be not be so. Right from time, if any other word will not do well, Uselu must produce. They must deliver. And I know say Uselu go deliver again. I be not be so. So I want to use this opportunity. Where our youth? Great youth! Yeah. I don't hear now. And the greatest and the greatest and the greatest. Yes. And now I know say I need to say no. So I want beg una. On the 2nd of September, na the D-Day. Make una begin dey do una 101 consultation. Where we dey call am mosquito campaign. Mona dey go house to house. Mona go dey tell them say na PDP. Because on that day, our photo no go dey there. The photo of councillor no go dey there. The photo of council chairman no go dey there. Abi no be so? The only thing wey you go see there na the symbol of umbrella. Now make am when rain dey fall, what dey use? Not be umbrella. So you supposed to know say this umbrella, e get the meaning. Wey make PDP say na their symbol. Na be this. Because umbrella na shade wey dey cover everybody. If you build house, you never put roof. If you sit down inside, not be the same umbrella be roof. You see am? So I wan beg una. From now, today, wey be Thursday, we don come Ward 7 now, come flag up the campaign for Ward 7. I wan make una enter street, make una tell them say na PDP na dey power, na PDP na dey government for Edo State, and na PDP na we want for Egor local government. When you get PDP for council, you get PDP for councillor, you get PDP for up. For governor, anything go hard? No. May I tell you now, we don't pass that area wetin happen for the last election. This time now, na our own, na be this. And this one we dey call grassroots politics. If anybody wants to see governor now, he go have to go where governor dey, but it go dey very easy for you to see chairman. So when you dey drag your councillor dey drag council chairman go dey drag governor. Abi not be so? So I wan come beg una. I beg my brothers, my sisters, my friends, my well-wishers, our supporters, our fathers, our mothers, make una go meet our tenants, our landlord, our friends, everybody, people wey dey sell for una house wey get voters card. Make una tell them say na PDP na dem go vote for, because the person wey dey give ticket for PDP na Eghe Ogbemudia. He say lion no dey born snake. I be not be so. When lion won't born, he go born lion like himself. But na small, the lion go dey grow. Now be this one so way don't grow so. So I dey tell una, I dey beg una, make una let them know. Say na Eghe Ogbemudia, na him dey come out, na him come out for PDP. Now una go vote for. But her picture no go dey there that day. Na only our symbol of umbrella. Please, I beg you in the name of God. When we do this thing like say na our own personal business, na our own property be this, na it be council. Council na our own. Wetin make me trust say council na our own be say na the easiest place where everybody fit reach. Abi no be so? Na the easiest place. When I dey council before, I dey do wetin they call open door policy. Nobody dey free form to enter my office. And I don't go there before. Road where person don't fair pass before, e dey hard now to go again. You don't see where apprentice they teach oga work. No way. I know possible now. Now oga they teach apprentice work. So I don't go there before, and I know how to do am, and we go, all of us go do am together to bring that dividends of democracy to the local government. We are all in it together. God bless you all, and thank you.
PDP, power to the people. I greet all of una. As my council chairman don't talk. Now me, na him be una son, the son of the soil. In Winusa in Abulele. Now him PDP give ticket for Ward 7. Say make it go represent the good people of Ward 7. In the history of a local government, the son of the soil or motto, this is a 9-year council in Ward 7. But this time, Ovie na Abulele Buselu. He can't fail he can't wear a decade camera. He got a even worry no me. He got a council. He can be council chairman, and I know the council chairman will not fail to assist and do the needful for the people of Washington. I beg you all to come on September 2nd in Mass. Tell your father, tell your mother, your sister, your girlfriend, your full family, extended family, that comes September 2nd. It is PDP all the way. From top to bottom. Eghe Ogbemudia in Winusa. Eghe Ogbemudia in Winusa. But you know go see our name there. The logo where you go see, that is PDP. And I know say that September 2nd, the party, the Gbedu, it go too sweet. PDP
My name is Winusa in Abulele. I dey run for councillorship position for Ward 7 to represent the good people of Ward 7. Our madam wey come this world today, e come boost the morale of the councillor, because we for Ward 7 we don already talk am say na PDP. Right from time na PDP na dey win Ward 7. And with her wey she take come today, e come really show say PDP dey on ground for Ward 7 and for Egor local government. And we promise the people of Ward 7 say we no go disappoint them once we reach council. Definitely if they vote me come September 2nd, wetin I go do when e dey my manifesto na empowerment. We go empower the youth, we go empower our papa, we go empower our mama with the little way wey we go fit do. And security for Ward 7, I go make sure say na the paramount thing. And from September 2nd, after they don swear us in, security for Ward 7 go be guaranteed 100%.
My name is Eghe Ogbemudia, the PDP candidate for councillorship Ward 1, the local government area of Edo State. I was overwhelmed when Honorable Eghe Ogbemudia, when she came for the campaign flag up in Ward 1. It was a joyous day, though it was rainy, but it was showers of blessing, and it was a new dawn, a next phase in Egor, the mandate of hope. It's a reformation in Ward 1. By the special grace of God, September 2nd, the victory is ours. So with the help of the council boss, Honorable Eghe Ogbemudia, I will make sure that there is dividends of democracy in Ward 1. September 2nd, I'm begging the people of Ward 1, Egor local government area of Edo State, to come out in mass and exercise their civic right to vote on that day. Let me tell them, you all should come out that day and vote, please. Vote for Honorable Eghe Ogbemudia. Vote for Bose De Omokaro. My picture will not be on that ballot paper on that day. You will see umbrella. Please vote for PDP. Vote for umbrella. Come September 2nd, 2023.
Today is a very happy day. would make the people of Egor, make them know say PDP still there alive. And governor today go see all this one. Leaders for the party chairman go see them for television or for anywhere. Say PDP still there alive for Egor local government. The big one be say for Ward 7, the day Gidigba. This one like Ward 7, na home of PDP for Egor. Because this is Ward 7, na PDP secretariat day. Here na home of PDP. So Eghe Ogbemudia, na from this zone she from come to. Na Ward 10 she come from. Here na Ward 7. Everybody we see today na support for Eghe and Egbemudia. This one are people where it dey grassroots, people where they know. People you go ask for water, if you not get, you go tell and rub your bag. Say this water not there, if he come, he go give you.
I'm supporting Eghe Ogbemudia because of who she is. We call her Madam Project. What she has done before, I want her to continue so that Egor will get total liberation. She has been there, she knows what to do. What she has started, we want her to complete it. Therefore, Imunosa is our son. We want him to go there and let the people feel the son of the soil in government. And we will support him to become who God wants him to be, the councillor of Ward 7.
Eni meyi de ota mo wana nyango ni wayeru nsome ni meke na wele gbe akin ni ma wufo ni ya wefo eru da ere baba de mi obe be ye ro ni ma wu bege ni aribe tamame ni meke na be se ya ma be ayi se ba ne meke na be tai we aka ma me we o mi pa na nu ma wufo ya wefo o ya mi ade baba wala wayeru ya governor eri oye eri wuna nije yo hai do ata mi ma be ne ni ya ye be gwa dia ken the community no kere unda owo ma ga ye leader ne olowo awo ti se ya yo se le bonati division of labor so ya me bi ade wala wowo ika ye kwe mu wa unda eguzi papa ye ejiyan Meno Eghe na yore Eghe Ogbemudia. Padomo wa so wa pe o. Yari.
Loka onoro na tepe. Era. Okaka bomba ka. Wona pa we ya ka wona komi osi. Oni ya fe no anyera me ko waje. When I will like ya, you know we like a politics, you know we are wrong. I go again in ya, or I go there, Dr. Nabi Azikwe, I go there, Sadwana Sokoto, I go there,
Chief Obafemi Awolowo. Keke, Obi Man Malawi Ameba, Chief Enaho. The politics are play again, or one you are going. So, what? Obi Man Abiaro, and also Kamana Biaro, my break my way. Obi met Nanako, one really. Opposition Nigeria and not voting way. Ramon will go, in a video. I wrote our phone our phone. I wrote. I'm a woman, I expect to be somewhere. Would they, if we are not going to if we can know the answer, no, and you want to why you want to go here. Oh, Salo Papa, I think what you know. So, as a chairman of a local government, or maybe you were no care, one a brother can, one lava. No car or all, Upo. A treaty of government now, federal, state, and then a local government. Or may that dim and I'm only that no about it. Even a year so. Okay, cannot like a control vote or take our approval. We don't need our local government. But I hear you. So, now, very anyway, one in that one we are the level. My boy is level more where I made or can I be friend way. Una even win. Ureva, get me a mistake. Muda, where may always win, a bona, a way, or mana, a guada case. Upo, Ikmakani. The second one, and I know myself where oh, yeah, I fear you, fear me. Before the constitution, after change the Oba, I always share in 1979, and I'm here where every man over party I want. Oba, area one. Honor of Becky, man, you're carrying. A canomudia, you know, not Kekini. A rabo for a ladder. Only aware a Kenya. We are going there is somewhere, we are when I know it. I work your way, if I don't work. You are not aware, you are not working. A castle, a home at Tibeki. When I may have a corporation, a registered company, society, corporate body, or a no better. The local government council, all the latter where they are in the really okay and my bill. I can not have another Mama. In that bar, not lead the coming. Manadia ever. Another time, open away, eso, Emena, Elwoman. So far, Yaka be local government chairman, we don't so much. No, the Buddha, again, an Agua and Anna, who push him. You have no issue. I'm not going to do it. But in any case, you are here, what is up there? One section of the community, committee of one. You are down the father, you are no maker, or so they God, not only when it comes to politics. So, a kidney. How can you assume a position whatever where it's your own property? Constitution, you can't quote anyone who I'm not a lawyer, but in any case, it's there in black and white. That's number 2. Number 3, I think Marewanani. You went to Marewana say, where so women so we want. Osaba gi mare baby o. A government, a onyema. and avoid the community. Avoid the Aramunima. No problem, Babo. I will wait. I will take a government or local government. What I will do, I do. When you go out, you will have it. There's nothing wrong. Why we are so there? Ima oni momoshie emena takwe udina bomo ikire abi ekole oyari ari wasewani so usalobo anola no wa maso wuwa ibi ma ewo yawo bi no sabo aka wo are ni egbero ka boya ọ̀rọ̀ ọ̀gẹ́ ìwòye àrùn ọ̀rọ̀ ọ̀gẹ́ ìgbẹ́ ọ̀kẹ́ ìgbẹ́ ìyàrùn ọ̀gẹ́ aláàbẹ̀mẹ̀ rìpọ́tù náà but ma dẹ́gẹ̀ mẹ́rin ìwòye àrùn ìwòye ní àwẹ́ àrẹ́rọ̀ mà ní ìjọba ìyá àwọn ìyàṣẹ́ so ìjáde ẹ̀wọ́ àjòrò ó bọ̀ á kùkù ní eré àyàfẹ́ èmi dá sí òrègbò yeye lábẹ́ ìwà ni wọ́n mọ̀ tí ìyá ẹ̀gẹ́ náà kẹ̀rẹ́ náà pààyàn ẹ̀jẹ̀ gbé mi dògbò ẹ̀mọ́ gbé mi dògbò òdá máa rúwé ìrẹ̀wò náà ọba àtọ́pẹ̀rẹ̀.
tí kò yọ lẹ́ni tí a ẹ̀bọn ẹ̀yìn mọ̀ pa ẹ̀ ti wẹ̀ you understand ìgẹ̀lẹ́ tùgbò wẹ́ adé iná kàmọ́ rẹ̀ mi èso sùn wẹ̀ kìíní. Na yegwa yo ye ya yo but eme bu no sumo ni kan tita baba na ni ado ta mu wa ni bi ewu you understand aga iseba ne ya kama we baba wu tiko wa itiko no gba me na no concern ni bi ewu egbaja eken deni kamu wa ekele wahala ni kede be na ga gi we aiwe owo e no ma di awo wa inya
Big PDP candidates where they represent Ward 8 for this forthcoming election, September 2nd to be precisely. What we will do today is a very simple thing, a tradition where would they do as far as politics is concerned. And this tradition now, what they call flag up. Trying to tell my community, to tell my people within my ward, within my vicinity, say I don't officially flag up as a candidate of PDP. And from now on, they're going to see me for their doorpost, they're going to see me for their neighborhood. They preach my gospel of good news, of waiting I get my programs when I get for them to make sure, say, Ward 8 develop, Ward 8 move forward, Ward 8 prosper. So that will be the thing we will do today for Ward 8. Well, I'm very, very grateful to God, first of all, and I'm grateful to our candidates, will be Honorable Eghe Ogbemudia, to have come to join me to flag up my campaign. It shows that PDP is one. It shows that there is unity when we are together. So I'm very happy. I'm very elated. Look at, if you can see, look around, you see the people. They came out en masse to come and support me. So I'm very grateful to God and I appreciate them very well.
Awe mano uyo wome ati gwegwa yawe ayawe ke politics uya nuka ho osagata
still feel as if I've not even started working. That's why I'm telling the council they should get ready. For me, I'm not tired of work. PDP! Women, oh yeah! Word now, oh yeah! Say when you train a woman, you train a nation. No. Now I'm not talking. I did not believe me talking. Ọjọ́ Adamu, Pawesi, Iwalamu Jafema. Man, okay, winner. So, who put it in the Tawi Dina? Italian. And we gave a Baba, even here. And they might do him away now, Wala Wubu. Nuwado Yeru Yaswima. If I will pay with me, and I will pay a castle. Can you make it nice to see Kimari? Or what will Vagas me, or Wapa, or Nine? What is a Lupwa, a two wire, a silly cow, Naani Magam in the end. But Nuwayeru Yaswima, Wala Wubu. Every boom, what can I do your horror? Every year cancel guys, you know. But if you can't tell where, or what day last year, or what last year day, and they last you can't sell on that, not in that, you work for one. Yeah, you got to put me there, or horror would night. Maybe I cook with government, your. But no, yeah, we can't walk by and move to. And while I will go, why can you kid it? My enemy. Oh, don't wait, we are not bad, good body. No, don't wait, I come out. And you guys are back. We are back at the ball, we back back. So, whoever is one woman, you're here. Am I possible? Obi abona ya iki obi okoro eyi abia eri mama baba me no ege na yore no bi Ogbemudia ogwezi eguizi papa no ye ezinyo imwegbe angwara ye huni ya sove mana seba maga vele du kumo e no keke naga ubebo ayi le kanima bo ida ni sege ni ne we ni mawo ni mabebo ẹ̀yìn náà fi hàn ọjí máa dé bàbá èmi ọwọ́ èrò wà láwòwò. Wáyé
Ìdí màá yáyọ́ mọ̀ ìdí tó máa pẹ́ o. Ọgbọ́n àti ọgbà yẹn.
Because on that day my photo no go dey there. Abi, my name no go dey there. The only thing wey they go see na the symbol of umbrella. From now, our party chairman don flag up for 10. So we don reach now make we dey waka from house to house, street to street, zone to zone. So we go dey tell them say 2nd of September na be the day. Now they hear me so. Now they hear me so. Women know local government election are for the grassroots. Now for election, when person want build as he will first of all lay foundation, not be so. This one are here, that be the foundation of politics. Before you go waka go government, go governor, from governor to presidency. Not be so. So now our own be this, and we must make sure say we deliver. Abi not be so. Abi not go deliver. Abi not go deliver. God bless you.
For 7 to Ward 10, now we do today. So after this one now, by from next week now we'll come start road show. You understand? But between now and next week, our people now from different wards will go out, go they do mosquito campaign. They do mosquito campaign anywhere where they want me will visit for ward. Now we'll come begin to visit all of them one after the other, because we don't visit some people already, like all the Enigye, the Odion Weres and all of them for community. So now house to house now we go they do. Then before we come do another road show again. So today they're very interested. They're very, very happy. Even when we enter Ward 8, rain won't fall. Now we call and say a shower of blessing. As the rain falls, we finish, the rain stop again. So that's why I see them. And everybody they're very, very happy. Where we dey so now Ward 10, where be my ward, where me I come from. Now be this. So now here now we end the campaign for this week. Because every time we do an election, now Ward 10, that will end the campaign, because that will be the biggest ward for Egor local government, because we get 75 units for here. I get 80% support from everybody. And I did very, very sure, even with the electorate say then they support me. Because if you see what happen when we enter inside market just now, you see what they happen inside market. You know, say now road where I don't fair go before. And I get report card when I go. You know, say where Pikin go school. When end of the school reach, you go be report card. When I first go the first one, I get report card when I show, and they see the report card. So road where person don't fair pass before, you know they had them to pass again, and they see what thing I do. So they believe say now me, where be oga, now they go give the work to them, to give them to apprentice, because person will never do this work before now apprentice. You understand? So I did very, very sure. I want to use the opportunity to beg our people, may they support all our councillors, you know, for this election. Or say on the day of election, the only thing where they go vote for na PDP. Because on that day, our photo no go there, our name no go there. Now only that symbol of umbrella, now go there that place. So I dey beg our people, may them vote from top to bottom. Now be from council chairman to councillor. So now be our own plate for today.